of the new airport of the city of Cuenca on the right, please. And look at some brown cows over there. No, not brown cows, but the new airport of the city of Cuenca on the right, please. Unfortunately, we don't have international airport, and all the people who want to come to this city have to arrive first to Quito or Guayaquil. We are studying these flatlands here on the right to be the new airport of the city. And by the way, this is the cow zone of the city of Cuenca. All German cows, they arrived here in 1565. They belong to a cow race called Holstein. Alright? Now we take the shortcut of Saraguro.
Exit, buddy!